Welcome to some American-style darting action. This is the end of the road. Eric Hoover taking on Kyle Mack, the final match in the 2022 Big Dog Dart Tournament. Each player shoots a dart at the cork to determine the shooting order for the first game of the match. Kyle's offering just high. That's a pretty good dart. Eric gets a bounce out, so strange rule when shooting the cork, you get to shoot until the dart sticks. Kyle wins that matchup. Eric leading off. First dart trip. Second dart, another bounce out. Sticks a red with his third dart. So 5 for him to start things off. Kyle's response. Single. Another single. Back into the red, 5-4 after 1. Eric in the lead. Top of the second, Eric first dart red. Followed by another red. And he fills it in. 6 points for him, top of the second. Kyle goes red. Single. Give him 5, so Eric picks up another point, up by 2 after 2. Eric goes single, triple, and a red for 6 points. Kyle first start red. Second dart single. Slides to his right, third dart into the red. So, Eric's been able to pick up a point in each of the first 3 innings, and he's ahead 17-14 heading into the 4th. First dart red, second dart red. Third dart red, give him 6 for the 3rd time in a row. Kyle's bottom of the 4th, red, red. Sticks a trip with his 3rd dart. That's 7 for him in the inning. He picks up a point, he's down by 2. Eric top of the 5th. First dart trip. Dart number 2 in the red. Dart number 3 as well. 7 points for him in the 5th. Up 9, Kyle holds darts. Turns the first one into a trip. Adds a single to it. And responds with a 6 in the 5th. 30-27 heading into the 6th. Eric in the lead. First dart trip, slides to his left. Also puts the second dart in the trip. Got a good group going and a chance for a big inning. Finishes with the red. That's 8 points for him in the 6th. Kyle first start red. Got 5 laying. But misses high with his 3rd dart. So Eric picks up 3 more points that inning, 38-32. Heading into the final stanza, his first start at the 7th is a trip. Add a red to it. Plenty of room. And he doesn't miss. 7 points for him in the 7th. So he's gone 6-6, 7-8, 7. It's hard to catch up when somebody's throwing darts like that, but Kyle, first dart trip in the 7th. Also, 5 lane for him. players trade, 7's in the 7th. Up 6. Up 6. Eric adds 2 with his first dart. Misses into the blue with dart number 2. Finishes the inning with 2 lane. He missed 2 darts that inning. This is an opportunity for Kyle here. 47-39. He's throwing darts, first dart into the float. Catches a red. Gets 4 for the inning, closes the lead by 2 points, 47-43. So up 4, throwing the top of the 9th. Up 6. That's a miss. And that's a single, so up 7. 7 to tie. 8 to win. This is a tall task. 2 reds and a triple do it. That's a single. So he needs to be perfect with these 2 darts, and he nails that trip. He needs a trip here, send this thing in overtime. Oh, but it's a single instead. So Eric outlasts Kyle 50-48 in the first game of this finals match. Kyle will be leading off. Eric will shoot the hammer in round number 2 here. Right back at it. First dart red. Second dart red. Bucket of blood to begin the game. Eric misses with his first dart. Back on track with dart number 2, solid red. Give him 4 for the inning. Kyle's up 2, heading into the 2nd. Single. Single. 4 for him. Eric goes back to first dart red. Another red. A single will close out the inning. So he picks up a point. He's down 1 going into the 3rd. Kyle first dart red. Add a single to it. Misses dart number 3, so only 3 points in the 3rd for Kyle. There's an opportunity for Eric. First dart trip, things are even. If he scores anything with darts 2 and 3, that's what his lead will be. And turns dart number 2 into 2 points. And things have turned around. Eric is up 4 at the end of the first stanza. Kyle's response is first dart trip. Red, 5 lane. Gets 8 for the inning, so that's a strong response. Eric counters. Down 5 holding darts. Misses with dart number 1. Red. Down 3. But not anymore. Trip with his final dart evens things up. 21-21 after 4. Kyle deep red. Add another red. Bucket of blood for the 5th. Down 6. Eric holds darts. 2 points. He's down 4. Down 1. give him 7 for the inning. So players go 6-7. Eric ekes out a 1-point lead heading into the 6th. Kyle goes 3, 1, 2 for 6 in the 6th. Down 5, holding darts. Make that down 2, holding darts. Dart number 2 drops into the 10th. Dart number 3 back into the red to even things up again. So nothing's changed. Players even heading into the final stanza. Kyle needs this game in order to force a third and deciding game of this match. And in the 7th, he goes red, trip, red. Good time for 7 points. Eric, red. He's down 5. He's down 3. None of this sliding to your left and shooting for a trip now. Lots of room in the red, and he hits it, so he responds to a 7 with a 6. He's down 1, heading into the 8th. Kyle leads off. First dart, wrong side of the wire. Second dart, back on target in the red. 4 points for the inning. He's up 5. Eric's response, red. Red, down 1, dart in hand. It's all tied up. After 8, nothing's changed since the beginning. This is at a drag race, 1 inning. Whoever wins the 9 wins the game. Kyle goes red, red. 4 points with his first 2 darts. Misses dart number 3. So this is doable. Eric, 4 to tie, 5 to win. First dart single. So 3 to tie, 4 to win. Another single. He missed with that dart. He picked up a point, so it went stray. It's a point anyway. We're looking at a red with dart number kissed, still caught enough of the board to stay in. 4 points for him. That puts us into extra innings, 48 apiece. Everything is tied up. We've played 48 matches so far today. So this is match number 49, and it can all come down to what happens in the 10th inning in game number 2. Kyle has the opportunity to push this to a third and deciding game of the match. And Eric has an opportunity, if he can land some darts and outscore his opponent, to take things right now and become the 2022 Big Dog. Kyle takes the line, first dart, into the blue. 2 darts to score some points with, turns dart number 2 into a trip, walks away with 5. That's a pretty good showing for missing a dart. Eric, it's in front of him as 5 to tie, 6 to win. First dart red, so let's drop that to 3 to tie, 4 to win. He's got his trip. This is it. 1 dart, miss, and we move on to the 11th. Hit a point, and you become the 2022 Big Dog Champion. Congratulations to Eric Hoover. 7 points in the 10th inning. These last few games were just fantastic. Kyle pushed this about as far as you can take it. I'd like to say thank you to everybody that showed up for our 2022 Big Dog Tournament. And in the end of the day, it all whittled down to a final dart. Eric Hoover landed it in the 10th and is able to claim the prize, 2022 Big Dog Champion.